I have been making shrimp and egg stir fry since I was a little kid. Everyone always tells me it's the best eggs they have ever tried. You will only need a few simple ingredients and 7 minutes of your time. In a mixing bowl, add the deveined shrimp. Every ingredient in the marinade has a purpose. Salt enhances the natural flavor. White pepper adds a mild heat and aroma. Cornstarch slurry makes the shrimp extra bouncy and tender. I have here half teaspoon of cornstarch and 1.5 teaspoons of water. Mix everything together. Let's chop some scallions. Set aside. In another bowl, crack the eggs. Then add the salt, white pepper, and cornstarch slurry. This is the best kept secret to making the eggs super soft, fluffy, and silky. Whisk. Followed by the scallions. Combine the egg mixture together. In a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the seasoned shrimp inside and stir fry until pink for about 1 minute. Remove the shrimp and incorporate them to the egg mixture. In the pan over medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. A little extra oil helps you achieve fluffier eggs. Add the egg mixtures into the pan, and as soon as the sides begin to set, gently stir the eggs from side to side without flipping them. Remove them from the heat while the egg is still slightly runny. The residual heat will continue to cook them, ensuring a fluffy and silky texture. In just a few minutes, we have made a restaurant-quality shrimp and egg stir-fry that is super fluffy, creamy, and silky. Your taste buds will dance with joy and leave you wanting more. If you also like to make super tasty egg fuyao, check out the video right here. This is over-the-top delicious. I absolutely love it. So please comment below and share with me what are your favorite ways to cook eggs. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!